3 days ago, an AI model showed up on the internet with no name, no company, no creator, and it just beat Claude and GPT-5.6 at coding. Not matched. Beat. By a landslide. The guy who discovered it posted his results online and said, quote, "I am very confused." And he's not the only one. Right now, some of the smartest people in AI are trying to figure out one simple question. Who built this thing? And more importantly, why are they hiding? Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this model can do, who probably built it, and why you only have a few days left to try it for free. What's up, AI explorers? Let's get into it. On August 20th, 2026, a new model quietly appeared on OpenRouter, the marketplace where developers rent access to AI models. It was labeled, and I'm not exaggerating, just this: Stealth/Ox-Alpha. No blog post, no launch video, no press release. Just there. Free to use for 1 week only, with a context window of over 1 million tokens and the ability to read text, images, and even video. That alone would be interesting. But then a developer named Ben Davis decided to actually test it. Davis ran Ox-Alpha through 10 tasks on DeepSWE, a benchmark that simulates real software engineering problems, the kind an actual engineer would face at work. The results? GPT-5.6. Sol scored 52%. Claude Fable 5, Anthropic's flagship, scored 65%. Ox-Alpha scored over 80%. That's not a small gap. That's a 15-point lead over Claude and a 28-point lead over GPT, on a benchmark that's supposed to represent the frontier of what AI can do in 2026. Now, I want to be fair here, because this is where a lot of channels are going to oversell this. 10 tasks is a small sample. Davis said so himself. Different models were tested with different numbers of attempts. This is not an audited, peer-reviewed leaderboard. It's one guy, one afternoon, one benchmark subset. But here's the thing that makes it impossible to ignore. Multiple independent testers have now run their own checks, and the pattern holds. Something about this model is genuinely different. So I didn't just want to report on this, I wanted to see it myself. So if this thing is this good, why is nobody taking credit? That's the real mystery. And the internet has turned into a full detective story trying to solve it. The leading theory points to Zhipu AI, a Chinese lab you might know from the GLM model series. Davis says he's 99% certain. Ox-Alpha is a version of their unreleased GLM 5.x flagship. His evidence: the way it processes video tokens matches GLM 5v Turbo exactly. Its tokenizer lines up with GLM 5.3. Even the way it refuses certain audio inputs matches Zhipu's known patterns. Other researchers have thrown out different names: Xiaomi's Mimo, DeepSeek, Minimax, even Grok. But one by one, most of those have been ruled out based on technical fingerprinting. And this isn't the first time this has happened. This is actually the 5th stealth model release in about 6 months, and every single one of the last 4 came from Chinese labs. It's becoming a pattern. Test your best model anonymously. Gather real-world data from thousands of developers, then quietly disappear before anyone can hold you accountable for the results. Now, before you go paste your company's private code base into this thing, a word of caution. The listing claims 0 data retention. But if you actually read the fine print, the platform's own terms say prompts and completions are retained by the provider, just not used for training. That's a very different promise. If you wouldn't want a conversation logged somewhere, don't put it into an anonymous model owned by nobody, no matter how good the benchmark score is. Also, some critics have raised a fair concern. DeepSWE's testing harness only supports certain coding tools, and a few users have reported Ox-Alpha actually underperforming smaller, established models on simple real-world tasks. That's raised some benchmarking concerns. The idea that a model might be specifically tuned to score well on this one benchmark without being genuinely better across the board. So, genuinely impressive? Yes. The best model on Earth? Not proven yet. Here's the bigger picture. Just 3 weeks ago, Anthropic and OpenAI were the two names everyone talked about. Now we've got GLM 5.3, Qwen 3.8, Max at 2.4 trillion parameters, Gemini 3.7 Flash, and an anonymous model with no name at all shipping within days of each other. The AI race isn't a 2-company story anymore. It's not even a 5-company story. It's moving so fast that models are beating industry leaders before we even know who made them. If you want to try this yourself, here's the catch. OxAlpha's free window closes on August 27th. After that, it either gets an official name and a price tag, or it disappears completely, like every stealth model before it. So my advice? Go try it, right now, while it's free. Run your own tests, and come back and tell me in the comments what you found. Because I guarantee some of you are going to find something even the official testers missed. If this kind of breaking AI story is your thing, hit subscribe, because whoever built this is going to have to reveal themselves eventually. And when they do, I'll be the first one covering it. I'm Mohsin. This is the AI Explorer, and I'll see you in the next one.